So dear students, good morning to all of you. Today's topic is types of apps. I hope that you remember the previous topic we have discussed through the PDF as well as through video. Okay. So this is the extension of that topic, that is types of apps. Okay. So apps can be broadly classified as desktop, web apps and mobile apps. These are the type of apps. Okay. So the first topic is desktop apps. So before discussing the topic about the apps, just to tell me whether you know about the desktop. It is one type of the computer, desktop computer. We are telling that this is desktop, that is laptop, and this is palm top. So I think you know the difference between the different types of the computers. Desktop means on the top of the desk, the computer which we keep on the desk. After that we are working in that, so that is known as the desktop computer. So in that computer, which softwares will be run will be known as the desktop apps. Okay. So these apps can be used on a desktop or laptop. You know, both are similar. Laptop is little slim than desktop computers. It is very much handy. We can carry from one place to another place easily, but desktop we cannot carry easily from one place to another place. This is the difference between the desktop and laptop, you already know. So what is the difference? Desktop computer cannot be carried easily from one place to another place. Whether this laptop computer we can easily carry from one place to another place, and by keeping in the lab means in the hand, by keeping in the lab we can work in that. Okay. So but the accessing and the functions of the both computer is same. Okay. Generally they do not need web access, these laptops and desktop apps. Computer not. Now I'm not talking about computer, now I am talking about apps. Okay. So this desktop app do not need web access. Web access means the accessing of the internet. Web, all of you know, that is related to the computer, to the internet. And independently on a computer, in order to run a desktop app, it must first be installed on the desktop or laptop. Installed app is indicated, represented by an icon on the computer screen or as an item on the start menu. Example of desktop applications are word processors. Word processor means Microsoft Word. Okay. Spreadsheet, you know, that is Microsoft Excel. PowerPoint means the presentation software. Even smaller apps like Paint or Notepad. These are the apps which are used in the desktop or laptop. So these types of the softwares are known as the desktop apps. These types of the applications are known as the desktop applications. The next one is web apps. Web apps. Okay. So this web app, these apps require an internet connection. For example, you know, Google Map, or there are many more. If you want to access, you must need a connection of the internet. So such type of the applications are known as the web app. The applications, the softwares which require the internet connection to run are known as the web applications. So they are usually browser based and stored on remote server. Remote server means, you know, you are having a computer in your hand, that is your host, that is your node, that is your client, and the internet you are accessing any type of the information, so that is coming from the server. So that server is known as the remote server. Okay. User access them like any other web page and then install them on their computer by creating a bookmark to that page. Web applications require minimum device memory as the application lies on the remote server. Okay, so I would like to tell you here that whatever you are doing in your computer, in your desktop and laptop, so that software will must be installed in your computer, so it will occupy the memory. Okay, but the files which are already stored on the server, it is not in your computer. Whenever you will access it, जब आप इसको खोलेंगे then it will come from there. ओके, जब आप उस सॉफ्टवेयर को खोलेंगे तब वो आपके कंप्यूटर में नहीं है, वो कहाँ से आएगा, सर्वर से आएगा. तो सर्वर इज द कंप्यूटर व्हिच इज सर्विंग टू ऑल द क्लाइंट्स एंड द नोड्स. I hope you got. Okay, so that is why it is telling that such type of the application needs less memory because the files are stored in the remote server. These apps can be used whenever, this is not never, this is ever. Okay, this is whenever required from any device through internet. For example, Google Maps, Instant Messenger, etc. So in one line, I want to tell you that the web apps are the applications which must need the internet connection to run. Okay, and there are many types. You are very expert nowadays. You are doing the online classes, so you are searching different things and you are having knowledge of the different types of the web apps. Okay, the last one is, this is mobile apps. The applications are developed for the mobile. The applications are designed for the mobile because mobile is having a less memory. These apps run on a smartphone or tablet. So the applications, the apps which are developed for the mobiles can be accessed on the smartphones as well as on a tablet. The screen size is much smaller than a desktop. All of you know, I don't think that there is too much required of the explanation about the small screen and big screen. The mobile is having the less screen size and the desktop and the laptop are having the big screen size. So the screen size is much smaller than a desktop or laptop. These apps are usually smaller in size as mobile device have limited memory. So mobile device is very small in size, that is why it is having the smaller memory than the desktop and the laptop. Mobile apps may come preloaded also on the smartphone or tablets. Some are coming and some we can also install from the Play Store, etc. So the software are designed for the mobiles and smartphones. No, they are smaller in the size because you see the mobile device is very small in the comparison of the desktop computer and laptop computer. These devices are very small, my dears. So that is why the capacity of a smartphone and mobile phone is smaller. That is why it needs the application of the smaller size. Okay, so keeping in view the device independent feature, software companies these days make different versions of the apps to be used as desktop apps, web apps or mobile apps. Okay, so you watch this video once again, then only you will get 100%. So I hope that you will go through and you will prepare these topics for the examination. So take care. Thank you very much.